My name is David Boggs. I'm Senior Manager of Enterprise Networks and Field Services for Dean Foods. Dean Foods is a dairy organization. We have about 249 remote facilities, 5 data centers, and we're spread across the domestic United States. And we even have an office for our Alpro division in Europe. And we are based here in Dallas, Texas. We turn to GDT for all of our solution delivery of IT products, mainly Cisco. We are a full Cisco shop, and we have been a partner with GDT since about 2007. GDT has been very beneficial for Dean Foods network services delivery, ranging from digital signage to voice over IP to our data centers Nexus platform systems. When Dean Foods was considering moving headquarters, we thought a lot about the different ways to integrate technology into our new building. One of the ways that we thought would be a great capability for the user community was digital signage. And the main reason we thought it would be a great addition to the capabilities corporate communications already provides was for the fact that we don't have resources running up and down floors changing static signs on boards. We are also able to utilize digital signage for inclement weather notifications, any type of emergencies that come up. We know that we have a tool in our back pocket that we can use to quickly notify the user community on what actions they might need to take. But most importantly, the cost savings. We don't have to buy printed material. We don't have to have the labor that goes around updating different bulletin boards when those resources can be used for other activities within the corporate environment. And also with our digital media manager, we're able to utilize Cisco IPTV to save monies to provide broadcast television on every one of our floors without having to pay a monthly fee from our provider for each television. We had digital signage deployed at Dean Foods corporate facilities for about a year when we realized that we could deploy these same services out to our field without additional costs. This was very advantageous because we already had a third-party vendor that a lot of our remote locations were using to provide digital signage at a monthly cost. We used our digital signage solution as a test pilot for one facility, and we utilized it in the same fashion that we use here at corporate, which was basically corporate communications, general HR announcements, things of that sort. But then the plant manager came to us and said, well, listen, we also have a whiteboard where we put up statistics regarding our manufacturing lines. And they're doing this with marker on a whiteboard that they're basically reading off a spreadsheet. So they wanted to see if they could put their spreadsheet on a screen to take care of all that manual labor that the plant manager is performing. And we tested that out and it worked great. So once the word got out from the different plant managers that, hey, we're using a Dean-provided solution, which is a Cisco-provided solution, to keep track of our production plant, its operational efficiencies, and you can take that entire task of keeping this whiteboard updated off your daily duties. So it was very advantageous. The word got out, and we created some marketing material to help the plant managers understand the service offering. And many of our remote locations now are utilizing digital signage based off our initial investment. Digital signage is one of those technologies that we just don't have to worry about. In fact, we've handed off content updates to corporate communications, marketing resources, plant managers, your average end user with very little technical experience. So it's just been great. The way they designed it made it seamless. Adoption was through the roof. And it's just one of those technologies we don't have to troubleshoot or worry about. GDT's involvement with solutioning, designing, and implementing our digital signage solution is what makes it successful today.